Hey YouTube, Carlo here. Welcome to the vlog. This is a channel where we talk about sneakers, life, and tech. And today is a special day because we're actually in Tokyo, Japan for the Japan series of vlogs that I am working for you guys. Now, for this particular episode, I want to share with you a quick review of a sneaker that I brought with me. It's a sneaker that has been in the making for the last few days now, ever since I picked it up in Makati. But now, before I show you that particular sneaker, I just want to show you some of the pairs that I brought with me because it kind of gives a lot of context to the sneaker that I'm about to wear. Inside our sneaker duffel bag, wow, we have the Jordan 1 Off-Whites in white, the UNC, and the Chicagos. We also brought with us the Prestos. Now, obviously, these are all grail level sneakers that we have here, and I'm excited to wear them. But specifically for today, this is what we have. This is the UKAY-UKAY Air Force 1 that we picked up a few weeks ago at Makati Cinema Square. So this was bought for 1,200 or 1,300 pesos, a little over $20. And it was in pretty bad condition when I first saw it. Isa pang Air Force 1. Ano size to? Size 12. O sige, pwede natin i-project. Bilhin natin, tapos pagandahin natin.
Pwede.
No?
How to unyellow?
How to unyellow an Air Force 1.
Top.
So it goes without saying that my project of rehabilitating and restoring this UKAY-UKAY Air Force 1 is pretty much outdoor because it is fake, it is probably not real, and it probably won't be worth the effort. Woo! Okay, parts. So sige, let me know what you think.
So first, I always check the stitching of the shoe inside. Here it's red. Most of the shoes I check, they're mostly white. Common with Nike, it's white. This is Air Max. We have a white stitching. Second, we noticed at the back that the how the air is planted is kind of slanted as compared to this. Even though it's not stitched, like you can see that Nike wouldn't make a mistake like that.
Yeah, kasi air, this one is really straight.
Yeah.
This one is a bit tabingi.
Yeah.
Okay.
So yeah, those are my two takes on this. And like the leather's really stiff and hard.
Person went to your store wanting to sell this to you at a discount, you wouldn't take it. So that it was cleaned up.
It's 50-50 because it's a risk also. So I have to check it talaga and make sure it's legit.
So the moment you have that doubt, pass na. Oh. So anong plano natin dito sa Air Force 1 na nabili natin sa UKAY? So number one, we won't throw it away kasi at the end of the day, it's still a pair of sneakers and sayang naman itatapon natin siya. So what we'll do, because we don't really know if it's 100% real or if it's 100% fake, let's just make the most of the money we spent. We will have this cleaned up and most likely I'll still have it customized, and then after a few weeks from now, I'll show you guys the finished product. Ito yung papalinis natin na Air Force 1. Ito yung nabili natin sa UKAY-UKAY. Kita nyo sobrang bugbog na dilaw na yung ilalim, sobrang crease na, ang daming stains all over. Tapos dinala natin siya dito sa Solevation. O, parts. Kaya nyo ba to?
Kaya po, sir.
Kayang-kaya. Boom! Okay. I think most of you guys saw the video. If you haven't yet, please do check the link down below. So the previous version of this really had scuff marks all over. It was yellowish, especially with the sole and that check mark over here. There was a lot of dirt and stains scattered throughout the shoe. The insole was pretty bad. And if you take a look at the outsole back then, it used to look like it was really stuck with so much grime and dirt that it was bordering disgusting. So that was the initial state of the sneaker. But today, it is already fully restored. It is perfectly clean. It is minty fresh thanks to our friends from Solevation, who were kind enough to take this sneaker in to give it the, I don't know, like the remake or the restoration and love that it needed to bring it back to this pretty awesome condition. I mean, take a look at that. It looks flawless. The only thing probably that they couldn't cure was the creasing, but even that they lessened to a certain degree. we're staying here at the Shibuya Creston Hotel in Japan, and it's the rooms are actually quite bigger compared to a lot of the hotels that you can find here in Japan. Most of the rooms are actually very cramped and very small, and the CRs are not that big also. So the great thing about this particular hotel is that the rooms are again above average when it comes to the size. Price is also pretty good considering that it's just like a 5-minute walk to the Shibuya crossing, which is one of the nicest places here in, well, Shibuya. Now we're here in Shibuya because we're going to do a bunch of sneaker shopping guides and sneaker shopping videos. So make sure that you guys stay for that when I upload them on the channel. Wifey sneakers of the day, Nike Huaraches. We got this from an outlet on sale. Carlos sneakers of the day, Air Force 1 from UKAY-UKAY Restore. Yeah. Our agenda for today is we're going to try to pick up the new Yeezy 700 Static over at Adidas here in Tokyo. I have no idea if it will be easy to cop, if there will be any lines, or if there will be any raffles. But from what I've read, Adidas Yeezys and Adidas Rare Pairs usually sit here because a lot of Japanese actually prefer Nikes and Jordans. So let's test that theory out. I know that there are like crazy lines over at the Philippines, but hopefully I'll be able to get one with no issue at all. Guys, just like I thought, it wasn't any problem at all. We have it already here. This is the Yeezy 700 Static. So just so you guys would know what happened, I literally woke up late today, walked inside the store. There were no lines whatsoever. There were no raffles whatsoever. The Yeezy 700 Static was just literally sitting there on the shelf right beside to the Yeezy 350 Boost V2 Static. Both of them just sitting on shelves. So I picked it up, asked the guys if they had my size, and voila, it's here. For retail, no lines, no hassle, no resale price, no wow. It's just insane. It was just so painless and easy to pick up, which is crazy if you think about it, considering how badly the situation is in Manila, where there are lines that stretch for hours upon hours upon hours. And here, all you have to do is walk inside the store and pick one up. I mean, it's just super mind blown. But anyway, so for this part of the vlog, I'll just do a quick unboxing for you guys. Yeah. So this is the Yeezy 700 box. As you guys know, it's your typical brown carton box. Yeezy 700 Boost writing over here. Let's just pop it open very quickly. Oh, by the way, before I probably think you guys are thinking what's the price. It sold for 37,000 yen here in Japan, so that's roughly around 18,000 pesos in the Philippines. So it's slightly more expensive than the SRP that we have back home. But I'm glad to have paid that, to just not have the hassle anymore of lining up and joining raffles and paying resale for it. So it's your typical paper, and then here you have it. So this is the shoe. So this is the Yeezy 700 V2 Static. Now take note that it is version 2 already. This is the upgraded model compared to the Wave Runner and the Mauve. And I really don't know what are the major differences yet. I'll probably do a comparison when I get home. All I know is that this has a leather paneling on the side. It also has the reflective material. So if you hit it with flash, it's supposed to glow in certain parts of the sneaker. I think the 3 stripes that you guys see here along the lateral and the medial side, as well as the back and the laces, should glow if it's hit with flash. So yeah, that's actually it for this very quick unboxing. I'll do like a more comprehensive review when we get back home. Oh babe, what do you think of Japan so far?
It's cold.
Yeah, she had to go back up the hotel room because she needed to get her thermals because it's that cold here right now. It's like below 10 degrees. We're here at the Nike Kicks Lounge and we're going to try to customize our own Air Force 1. So we paid a little extra to mess up a nice shoe. So let's try it out. Baka it's better to just use this, no? It's a Japanese flag theme. So I'm going to color this red, and then I'm going to put my name in Japanese here along the side. So something simple and something that captures like the memory of staying in Japan.